let us understand how we can calculate the amount of work done when the force applied and the displacement produced are not in the same direction. And to do this, we need a little tool of mathematics which is called trigonometry. So in this session we will just look at the basics of trigonometry. We already know that a right angle triangle is a triangle in which there is one angle which is of measure 90 degrees. So if you look at the diagrams here, in both the triangles which is on your left hand side, this one, and which is on your right hand side, which is this one, angle B is the 90-degree angle. We know that the side that is opposite to the 90-degree angle is the longest side, and it is called the hypotenuse. It is called the hypotenuse. In both cases, the hypotenuse is the side AC. It is the side AC for the triangle which is there on the left hand side, as well as for the triangle that is there on the right hand side. Now suppose we study this triangle on the left with respect to angle A. Now with respect to angle A, side BC, because it is on the other side, can be called as the opposite side, But if we look at the other triangle with respect to angle C, the opposite side will be AB. It will be AB. So you see, depending on which angle we refer to, the opposite side may be BC, it may be AB. Similarly, the third side, the remaining side, so with respect to angle A, the remaining side which is AB, we call it the adjacent side because it is adjacent to angle A. But when we look at the triangle on the right hand side, the remaining side which is BC is the adjacent side. So depending on the angle that we are referring to, our adjacent side can be AB, it can be BC. This terminology we need to know to understand basic trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Basically, it defines three ratios: sine, cosine and tangent, but for today's session we will only concentrate on two, that are sine and cosine. In short, they are called sine and cos. As you know, in trigonometry, in algebra we use x and y a lot, and in trigonometry we use theta a lot. So here we have a right angle triangle ABC with 90-degree angle at angle C. Suppose angle B has the measure of theta. So trigonometry defines sine theta as opposite side of theta divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side of theta is AC divided by hypotenuse, which is AB. Similarly, cos theta is defined as the adjacent side of theta, which is this BC divided by hypotenuse AC. So this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. So if we understand hypotenuse, opposite side and adjacent side, we define sine theta as opposite side by hypotenuse and cos theta as adjacent side by hypotenuse. But what do we do with this? There is an interesting application. Now once we know what sine theta is and what cos theta is, we can actually express all the three sides using just one side, that is hypotenuse. It's the same triangle now, right angle triangle ABC with the right angle at angle C, and let's say that angle B has the measure of theta. We already know that this is the hypotenuse, and with respect to theta, AC is the opposite side, and with respect to theta, BC is the adjacent side. Now we know sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, so it is AC by AB, and when we simplify this, we know that AC equals to AB sine theta. Similarly, we know cos theta equals to adjacent side, that is BC, by hypotenuse, which is AB, and when we simplify this, we get BC equals to AB cos theta. So this opposite side we can write as AB sin theta, and this adjacent side we can write it as AB cos theta. Thank you.